How to fix your Canon Maxify GX3020 printer that is printing the blank pages. Right now we can see there is ink in the ink tank. All 4 ink tanks are full. Sometimes it may be printing little bit but some of the ink is missing. For that we have to check the printer. First step is to open the ink chamber. Lift it from here, from one side. Check inside. Look for the ink pipes. Here we can see there is no ink in the ink pipe. That means ink has gone back and there is air in the ink pipe. We need to do the ink flush so that we can use the printer for printing. In case you see the ink here, then you don't have to do the ink flush. In that case, you can just do the cleaning. I'm just going to show you the both methods. So first we will do the ink flush and then we will do the cleaning. Close this chamber, lift it up and it will close itself. Before starting the ink flush, just check the ink levels. It should be at least at the minimum level. There is a one arrow mark here, so it should be up to that. Even if you don't have that much ink, we can still do the ink flush, and for that I will give you a tip how to save the ink. Go to the printer display panel, scroll down and click on the maintenance. Scroll down. Select the option replace ink in the printhead. Press OK. If you want to do it for any particular color, like if your black color is not working, then you can select that. If the color is not working, then you can select the color option. It's always best to do the all colors. Press OK. It will give you the warning like it will consume lot of ink. So press OK again and click on the yes. So it's saying like it's going to take around 9 minutes. So that's a lot of time. So we are not going to waste the ink for that. So I'll show you when to unplug the power cable so that you can save the ink. Also it will flush the ink in the print heads. The printer is trying to push the ink through the pipes and to the print head, and it's just making a regular sound. We will just wait for this cycle to finish. So sound has gone, so let's check inside. We can clearly see the ink in the 3 pipes, but for the black ink we have to wait a little bit. So this is the second cycle, so we'll just wait for a minute to finish the second cycle and then we will unplug the power cable. After around 2 cycles we can just check inside, lift the door and check the ink pipes. We can see the ink is filled inside, so that means we can stop the process, save the ink. Just unplug the power cable. Press the power button few times. Plug in the power cable, switch on the printer. This will help you to save a lot of ink, because ink flush or replacing the ink in the printhead takes a lot of ink. So we just saved the ink from the wastage. Go to the printer display panel. There may be an error on the screen and we have to clear that. After starting the printer, you will see the message on the screen like printer was shut off improperly. Press OK. You will see the main screen, and the next step is to do the cleaning. Second step is to do the cleaning. So that will clean the print heads. Scroll down and click on the maintenance option again. Select the second option, cleaning, and press yes. So this will take a very little amount of ink to clean the print heads, and that should fix all the colors. क्या
क्या देखना शॉर्ट्स वीडियो अनबोल्ड बोल्ड रिसेंटली अपलोडेड लाइव अंडर 4 मिनट 4 to 20 मिनट ओवर 20 मिनट
Printhead cleaning is done. Click yes to print the nozzle check sheet. So you can see all the inks are working. So that's the way we can fix the printer that is printing the blank pages. Now go to the printer display panel to finish this process. Click next, select all A. Now in case your printer still missing some of the ink, you can click on the all V and it will take you to the next cycle of cleaning. Or you can just select all A and manually you can go and do the cleaning again. Now cleaning takes very little amount of ink, so you can repeat it many times. Once you see there is enough ink in the ink pipes, then you can follow it. Hopefully this will help you to fix your printer that is printing the blank pages. Thanks for watching.